Good morning. Get ready to supercharge your self-love and unleash your inner confidence. In this video, we're looking into a series of powerful daily affirmations that will help you cultivate unshakable self-esteem and embrace your true worth. Let's repeat these empowering words together and let their positive energy resonate within us. I am worthy of love, respect, and happiness, simply for being myself. My unique talents and perspectives make me a valuable contributor to the world. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. I trust my intuition and make decisions that align with my highest good. My imperfections are part of what makes me beautifully human. I embrace my body and celebrate its strength and vitality. I am constantly learning and growing, and I am proud of my progress. I have the power to create the life I desire, and I am taking bold steps towards my goals. I radiate positivity and attract loving, supportive relationships into my life. I am worthy of abundance and success in all areas of my life. I am confident in my abilities and trust myself to make the right choices. My self-worth is not determined by external validation or achievements. I am worthy of forgiveness and compassion, both from myself and others. I choose to focus on the present moment and find joy in the simple things. I am surrounded by a universe of infinite possibilities and opportunities. My thoughts and beliefs shape my reality, and I choose to cultivate a positive mindset. I am a powerful creator, and I am manifesting my dreams into reality. I embrace change and see it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, big and small. I am worthy of rest and relaxation, and I prioritize self-care. I am a unique and beautiful soul with a special purpose to fulfill. My voice matters, and I have the courage to speak my truth. I am worthy of financial abundance and attract prosperity into my life. My past does not define me, and I am free to create a new story for myself. I am a magnet for positive energy and attract joyful experiences into my life. My self-love is a gift to myself and the world. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. My inner peace is a sanctuary that I can always return to. I am a source of inspiration and encouragement to others. My creativity flows freely, and I express myself authentically. I am worthy of healthy, fulfilling relationships that nurture my soul. I am a beacon of light, radiating love and compassion to all. My intuition is my guiding compass, and I trust its wisdom. I am a warrior of self-love, and I conquer my fears with courage. I am a masterpiece in progress, constantly evolving and becoming my best self. My mistakes are stepping stones to success, and I learn from them with grace. I am a limitless being, expanding beyond my perceived boundaries. I am worthy of celebration, and I honor my achievements with joy. I am the architect of my life, designing a future filled with love, joy, and purpose. I am a magnet for miracles, and I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. My self-compassion is a wellspring of inner strength and resilience. I am a channel for divine love, and I share it freely with the world. My presence is a gift, and I make a positive impact wherever I go. I am a master manifester, co-creating my reality with the universe. My energy is vibrant and contagious, uplifting those around me. I am a beacon of hope, inspiring others to believe in themselves. My heart is open to giving and receiving love unconditionally. I am a powerful healer, mending wounds and promoting harmony within myself and others. My laughter is a melody that brings joy to the world. I am a fearless explorer, venturing into uncharted territories of my soul. My dreams are valid, and I have the courage to pursue them relentlessly. I am a co-creator of my life, designing a future that excites and inspires me. My self-belief is unshakable, and I trust my inner guidance implicitly. I am a force of nature, unstoppable in my pursuit of growth and transformation. My intuition is a superpower, guiding me towards my highest potential. I am a vessel of infinite wisdom, accessing knowledge that transcends limitations. My creativity is a boundless source of inspiration and innovation. I am a catalyst for positive change, making a difference in the world. My vulnerability is a strength, allowing me to connect deeply with others. I am a radiant being, emanating light and love from within. My boundaries are sacred, and I protect my energy with fierce compassion. I am a warrior of light, conquering darkness with love and understanding. My presence is a blessing, and I am grateful for the opportunity to experience life. I am a multifaceted being, embracing all aspects of my complex nature. My voice is a powerful instrument, capable of inspiring and empowering others. I am a student of life, constantly learning and evolving. My journey is unique and beautiful, unfolding perfectly in divine timing. I am a limitless being, capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. My self-love is a revolutionary act that ripples out into the world. I am a guardian of my own happiness, prioritizing joy and well-being. My inner child is free to play and explore, bringing lightheartedness into my life. I am a compassionate listener, holding space for others with empathy and understanding. My imperfections are perfect, and I embrace them as part of my authentic self. I am a leader, inspiring others with my vision and passion. My gratitude is a magnet for abundance, attracting blessings into my life. I am a champion of self-care, nurturing my body, mind, and soul. My authenticity is a gift to the world, and I share it with confidence. I am a visionary, creating a future that aligns with my highest values. My self-worth is inherent, and I honor my divine essence. I am a divine being, connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe. My resilience is a superpower, allowing me to bounce back from any setback. I am a beacon of positivity, illuminating the world with my light. My intuition is my compass, guiding me towards my true north. I am a co-creator of my destiny, shaping my future with intention and purpose. My self-love is a shield, protecting me from negativity and self-doubt. I am a warrior of light, spreading love and compassion wherever I go. My authenticity is a magnet, attracting genuine and meaningful connections. I am a channel for divine creativity, expressing myself freely and joyfully. My gratitude is a fountain of abundance, overflowing with blessings. I am a fearless adventurer, embracing the unknown with excitement and curiosity. My dreams are seeds of possibility, waiting to blossom into reality. I am a master of my emotions, choosing love and peace over fear and anger. My body is a temple, deserving of nourishment and respect. I am a student of life, constantly learning and growing. My voice is a powerful tool, capable of inspiring and uplifting others. I am a magnet for abundance, attracting prosperity and success. My self-worth is unwavering, independent of external validation. I am a radiant being, emanating joy and confidence. My presence is a gift, and I am grateful for the opportunity to share it with the world. May these words serve as a guiding light, illuminating your path towards unwavering confidence and unshakable self-esteem. Repeat these affirmations daily. Let them sink into your heart, and watch as they transform your life from the inside out. If you found these affirmations helpful, don't forget to like, share this video with others who might need a boost, and subscribe to my channel for more empowering content. Until next time, keep shining your bright light.